Do you love a makeup primer? Whether you love a makeup primer or you're new to makeup primers, I have a product today I have absolutely fallen in love with, and I cannot wait to show it to you. Welcome in. If we're meeting for the first time, my name's Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. I'm 57 with oily skin, and I love a makeup primer. This product was really new to me. I can't wait to show it to you. It is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm No Filter Firming Primer. This is fantastic. If you're new to makeup primers, a really good makeup primer will blur pores, will blur lines and imperfections, and really give your makeup something to stick to. I say the same thing all the time, but I liken primers to spackling your living room wall before you paint it. If you've ever filled in all of the lines where pictures have been on the wall, the nail holes, and that paint is smooth and beautiful, and you're just like, wow, I did a great job. That's what a makeup primer does. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm No Filter Firming Primer. It says that it instantly tightens, firms, and blurs the appearance of fine lines, pores, and imperfections. This comes out almost looking like a concealer. It blends out beautifully. It also contains skincare, so this helps to firm and tighten your skin over time. This is what it looks like coming out of the tube. This is way too much for me, just so you know. I'm gonna take some of that off. But look, see, it just blends out clear. It's very, very nice. Now, here's what the tube says. Apply a thin layer. And then it says remain expressionless for 3 to 7 minutes. Don't worry, I won't sit here and look at you for 3 to 7 minutes. It firms and tightens, and it says it lasts, the firming and the tightening lasts for at least 6 hours. I'm telling you, this stuff is a miracle. While I give this a few minutes to firm and tighten, if you've watched this video here, then you know there are a few steps that I take before I put any foundation, concealer, anything on my face. Today, because I'm using this, I'm skipping setting spray before my makeup. I'm just letting this primer do its job. I let this set up and firm. Now it's time to apply my makeup as usual. Well, I still look 57, but a little bit better. The pores are blurred, the fine lines, everything is blurred. My skin is not super tight. It's just tightening like the pores and kind of keeping all of that in place without making me feel like I have to talk like this. I love this. It truly delivers on everything that it says it's going to do. I hope you'll try this. If you do, come back and let me know what you think. I will link it down in the description below. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like and subscribe, share it with a friend. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I'm always sharing product recommendations over there, along with casual fashion and a few farm stories. If you want to see more products for our mature skin, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.